tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and we are back today with a super cute, really dope, bougie on a budget bag. This time, this bag is from Coeebags. You guys know how I feel about Coeebags. Hands down, the quality is always there. So I want to say a huge shout out to them for working with me on today's video. So as always, you guys know your bag comes packaged very well, and then inside of the packaging you are going to get the gorgeous orange LV box. So nice to display all your new cute items, and of course you guys get the nice dust bag, all the good packaging, and it's so easy to store. As you guys see, my bag display back here, so I love those new LV boxes. And as always, you guys know these are just cute fashions at an affordable price. Okay, so enough said about that. And this is the bag that I chose. Look at the gorgeous LV Takashi Murakami cherry blossom Nice bag. So this is the Nice. I'm not sure if they're gonna release a couple sizes of this. I would say it's the BB size and not the mini. So of course I'll leave all dimensions, coupon codes, anything like that will be listed in the description below, and any links as well. You guys know I love to come on here and show you guys how your bag comes packaged and everything. You guys see the little wrapping here, and then also we have the gorgeous inside interior. This is what sold me, because at first I was like, ooh, you know, I may want the pochette, or I did want the little bucket bag with the little clay, but then I'm like, the little bucket bag is mini girl, okay? You guys know I'm a new mom. I kind of need at least to fit a little bit more couple items. It doesn't matter where I'm going. This obviously will probably be like a little nail shop, date night, outfit of the night bag, okay? Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'll be using this for. At first, if this did come, or if they are gonna put more sizes out, I may get the bigger one to keep on my vanity and put my everyday makeup in, because this bag is gorgeous, as you guys can see. To get the bubble wrap, and of course you get care instructions in here. And I just love the Nice. I've been wanting a vanity type style bag for a little bit now, but I just haven't chose one. But I'm glad I waited and I chose this collection to get it. So it just says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton x Murakami. I just love that pop of pink. It's definitely hitting, as you guys can see. I tried to match the bag today with my floral earrings and my little pink highlight. But yes, you guys, this bag just screams girly, cute, feminine. It's just so pretty. We'll put the key clay. So you got the key clay like that in the bag. And then you can put a little perfume for the night out. Let me kind of focus this real quick. So you could put a little perfume for the night out, a little Kayali, a little lip gloss. Okay, and you can fit definitely a ton more stuff. This is a cute little makeup brush, so I'll just throw it in there real quick for demonstration purposes. But of course, everything fits. You can just close that right up from this company, but I just wanted to show you guys how else you could style up the bag and make it yours. You could put a little twirly on it. But yep, and let's get on to the show on styling portion.
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be.
Okay, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching my quick little review on the LV Nice Nano. The LV Nice BB. She's super cute, very fun and flirty for the summertime. Very cute girls' night out. Cute little date night out or just night out on the town period with the homies. But it's definitely given very cute, very girly, very fashionista vibes. And as I said, the quality is always 10 out of 10 from Coeebags. You guys can check my channel out. I have a couple of bags from them, and they're hands down the top list for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my short, and I'll show you details on the fit, accessories, makeup, shoes, all that. And I will definitely see you in the next one.